Welcome one, welcome all to the Funhouse. I am Uncle Salty. This is episode 3, and it's playtime. I'm so excited, so very excited. Today, I will be talking about and unboxing the Masters of the Universe, Masterverse, New Eternia Beastman. When I was a child, Masters of the Universe was my favorite toy line. 1983, 1984, and 1985, I had so many of these toys, so many hours of adventure and imagination. Now, today, I get my very first new Masters of the Universe figure since the 1980s. To start my collection, I chose Beastman. The New Eternia toy line combines the vintage 1980s toy line with a reimagining of each character. It also adds original concept art. Tie all 3 of these elements together, and you have a new, fantastic toy line. Hello, Scooter Magruder. You can't be up here. We're going to set you down, and we're going to get back to the video. Excuse me. Beastman was one of the first 7 characters to be created for the Masters of the Universe toy line in the 1980s. He was one of the first 4 figures to be completed and was actually the second released right after the main character of the Masters of the Universe, that being He-Man. Beastman is the savage right hand to the main antagonist in the story/toy line, that being Skeletor. He has control over many wild creatures and has unrelenting brute strength. Let's take a look at the figure now. Here it is, Beastman. As you can see, nice huge window to display the figure. 30 points of articulation. And the 40th anniversary Masters of the Universe logo. So that means this figure came out in 2022. Turn the box to the side and it shows the name of the figure, Beastman. Turn it to the other side and we have excellent artwork. You have the mug shot up on the top of Beastman, and that is the classic look of Beastman. And then the full-on body shot artwork is the original concept art. Turn the box around and you have yet another incredible painting of Beastman. Also shows the cross-sell for this line of figures: He-Man, Zodak, Skeletor, and Catra. Eventually I'll be getting the Zodak figure, and that'll be somewhere on down the line. Let's unbox the figure and see exactly what this toy has to offer. Beastman also is a tribal leader, shaman of the 7 savage tribes that dwell within the majestic jungles of Eternia. That's what it says on the back of the box. Now, getting the figure out of the packaging. Slide him out here. Set the box off to the side. Don't need that anymore. The figure comes in the little plastic tray. Pull him out of the thing here. Set that off to the side. Stand Beastman up here. And it shows that Beastman stands at about a little over 7 inches tall. Comes with a Comes with a pretty cool looking club. You can stick in Beastman's right hand here. Actually, before we put that in his hand, let's go through the articulation. Wrists move, swivel at the wrists. Arms turn 360 degrees. Swivel at the shoulder. Because of the breastplate and the bottom of the belt, I guess it is, he does have an ab crunch, but you can't move it because of that. Feet move up and down, left and right. Swivel at the thigh. And other arm, same thing, goes 360 degrees in both directions. Swivel at the wrist. I really like the furry gimmick that he wears. That's kind of cool. Head moves up and down and turns left and right. Very cool. And here we'll stand him back up. Maybe. There we go. Okay, so it comes with this really cool spiked club, fit for a savage. Comes also with, comes with this headdress. I guess that's a wild pig, I guess. And that sets on his nice little head like that. Also comes with the classic 1980s toy line Beastman whip. And if you spin the figure around, it has a nice little notch in the belt that you can do that with, and have the whip ready for action. Just reach behind and grab the whip, and you're ready to go. The other things it comes with, I'm not going to take them out of the plastic. 2 interchangeable hands. Also comes with two shoulder pads, which the original Beastman had. That's kind of cool. Comes with an added leg plate, which is right here, which I don't actually understand since he already has 2 leg plates, but I guess why not have a third? There is the other one of the shoulder pads, and here is the original Beastman chest plate. So you could actually display this figure as it was in the 1980s if you wanted. And let's pull him back here like that so you can get a good look at the actual full figure. Or you can display him as the new Eternia Beastman. I'm not going to use the headdress. I'm not going to use any of the other things, but I really dig this spiked club. That just, to me, just screams savage, just 100%. But a very cool figure. Let's see if we can get this in his hand. Should be able to fit in there. And yes, it does fit in nicely. There you go. And there's Beastman. Very cool looking figure. And very happy I bought it, and an excellent figure to be the first in what will be many new Masters of the Universe toys for my collection. So what was your favorite Masters of the Universe character as a kid? Tell me all about it in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Oh, by the way, marriage is the first step to a successful divorce.